Hey,
Hi,
hey.
how are you?
Yeah, very
So,
good.
hope everything. Loving you guys anyway, just to give some compliments. Anyway, I've been in your lives a couple of times when we
Sure.
talked about marketing. About what I'm thinking about doing is marketing to Brazilian students in Portugal.
Perfect.
Okay,
Yeah.
Brazilians that live in Portugal, because we've been getting some viral students from Brazilian students from Portugal, from Italy through our Instagram marketing.
Brilliant.
And what I was thinking about doing is how would I market to them, for example, on Facebook ads? I already use Facebook ads, for example, in Brazil. But how would I market in terms of in Portugal? Like, how would I market specifically on the platform, on the ad platform? How would I market specifically to attract Brazilian people living in Portugal? Is there some way that we can do that to attract them, more for Brazilians? How would that work? You have any tips about that, maybe?
Absolutely. It's actually quite easy. So when you create an audience, obviously you choose Portugal as the location, and you can either go under languages and you can choose Brazilian Portuguese, which is one option, or under targeting, you can choose, I think it's expats, and the category is lived in Brazil.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Yeah,
And
because
that's
that's
it.
what I was in doubt about how to do it. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Because I think that you gave me that idea the last time about marketing to Brazilians, and they've just been appearing, from different parts of Europe. So when I saw your guys' ad on Facebook actually about the webinar today, I said, let me click in and see, and get some tips about that. But okay, great. Thanks a lot.
It's very simple. No problem at all, Anthony.
Also,
Okay.
on that, Herbert, can you also, and my memory is not as good as yours, can you do it by like page likes as well? Would there be certain pages, or does that not really work so much these days?
You can do it with large pages. So you would have to have a look. So you could even, for example, try and type in a famous Brazilian newspaper or Brazilian websites or something like that, and you can do that as well. So you can test what is working best. I'm sure the audience size really isn't that large if you put in just the Brazilian Portuguese as a language and keep everything else quite open. Portugal, ages 18 to 65, all genders. Actually, I just had a look now. The potential audience is 170,000. So it's quite small. Yeah.
But also, it's not an insignificant number too. So very good.
No. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Very
Can I ask one more question?
Go for it, Anthony.
Let's say I wanna market in Portugal and Italy. I should make two separate campaigns, not to do both countries in the same campaign, right?
Well, I assume if you are marketing to Brazilians in Portugal, you're going to write the ads in Portuguese, correct?
Yeah, I would put it in Portuguese. Exactly.
But do you also want to advertise to Brazilians in Italy?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Brazilian, Italy, yeah.
Then you could combine the audiences, absolutely, as long as the audience size isn't like too large.
Okay.
So try and keep it under 1.5 million, which I'm sure it will be.
Okay. All right. Perfect. I'm going to try that out, and I'll tell you guys on your next webinar.
Can't wait. Thanks for that, Anthony. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Take care.